is constantly being made new. I am unique. I have clarity in my mind and strength within. New and exciting opportunities are ahead of me. My potential is limitless. Change is inevitable, and I embrace it with open arms. I move ahead optimistically. In any given moment, I can return to peace. I find joy and pleasure in the simplest things in life. Confidence is my second nature. I live in the present and I'm confident of the future. I celebrate all that is right with the world. I take daily actions that benefit me. Everything is happening for my own good. I am doing the next best thing for me, and I love it. I have the courage and tenacity to overcome everything I face. I am safe and protected by divinity. I am supported. I awaken every morning feeling happy and positive. I enjoy positive change and I adjust accordingly. I am strong and courageous. I am ready for a healthy, loving, and lasting relationship with myself. I put the best people and skills into my life. I will look forward with a positive attitude. I continue to learn and grow each passing day. I am patient. I am stronger every day. I radiate love and positivity each day. I can have it all. I am an inspiration to others, and I act like it. I make positive changes. I intend to live this day to the fullest. I am at peace with myself and others. I am successful. My future is so bright. My life is filled with meaning and purpose. My life is filled with meaning and purpose. I am grateful for all the wonders in my life. I am secure and safe being who I am. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My outer self is matched by my inner well-being. I am creating my destiny. I let go of anything heavy and embrace love and joy. I am equipped with the power to change my life.